Hi students, today's topic is percentage. Students, in my previous video you have learned what is percent and percentage, and also you learned how to convert a percentage into a fraction or ratio and decimal. Students, in the first video we have also solved some word problems. Students, let us see the definition percent. Percent means out of 100. Or per 100. Suppose 15% means 15 out of 100. Let us learn what is percentage. Percentage is the numerator with denominator is 100. Suppose 53% equals to 53 by 100. Here numerator equal to 53 and denominator equal to 100. Hence percentage equal to numerator equal to 53. Suppose x percent, so we can write x by 100. Here denominator is 100, hence percentage equal to x, the value of the numerator. So we see numerator of a fraction whose denominator is 100 is called the percentage. In practice, percent and percentage have the same meaning. Students, let us learn some conversions from percentage into fractions, ratios and decimals. Students, let us consider 1%. We can write 1 by 100 and it is the simplest form, 1 by 100. So what is the ratio? It is 1:100, and we can express 1 by 100 as 0.01 in decimals. Let us learn what is 10%. 10% means 10 by 100. In the simplest form, it is 1 by 10. And what is the ratio? It is 1:10, and we can write 1 by 10 equal to 0.1 in decimal. Now let us see 25% equal to 25 by 100, that is 1 by 4. We can divide both the numerator and denominator by 25, so it will be 1 by 4. Hence the ratio will be 1:4. Now what is the decimal of the fraction 25 by 100 equal to 0.25. Now let us see 33 whole 1 by 3%. This can be written as 100 by 3 into 1 by 100 equals to 1 by 3. And what is the ratio? That is 1:3. And what is the percentage? It can be written as 1 by 3, that is 0.33 approximately. Now let us see what is 50%. That is 50 by 100. In simplest form, it is 1 by 2. This can be expressed as ratio 1:2. And what is the decimal form? That is 0.5. Now let us see 66 whole 2 by 3%. This can be written as 200 by 3 into 1 by 100 equal to 2 by 3. So the ratio of 2 by 3 is 2:3, and we can express in decimal 0.67 approximately. Students, let us consider 75%. This can be expressed as 75 by 100, and this can be written as 3 by 4 in simplest form. If we divide both the numerator and denominator by 25, we will get 3 by 4. So it is 3:4. Any fraction 3 by 4 can be written as 3:4. And what is the decimal form? That is 0.75. Now let us see 100%. That is 100 by 100 equal to 1. That is 1 by 1. So the ratio is 1:1, and decimal form of 100 by 100 is 1. Students, so we see 100% of any number, suppose x means x, that is the number will remain same. Similarly 150% equal to 150 by 100. It can be written as 3 by 2, that is 3:2, and in decimal form it is 1.50. Now let us see what is 200%. That is 200 by 100. It is 2 by 1, that is 2:1, and here the in decimal form it is 2. Students, so we see 200% of any number is just doubled the number. Students, so from the table we can say 25% means 1 by 4, that is 1:4, and in decimal form 0.25. Let us see what is 100%. 100 by 100 equal to 1. So the number itself. Let us consider the second problem, converting fractions into percentages. Let us consider the fraction 8 by 25. This can be written as 8 by 25 into 100 by 100. We are simply multiplying the numerator by 100 and dividing the same number by 100. So the value of the fraction remains same. So it is 4. This can be written as 32 by 100 equal to 32%. Students, we know 1 by 100 equal to 1%. Therefore, 32 by 100 is 32%. Now let us see 5 by 8. This can be written as so it is 125 by 2 into 1 by 100 equals to 62.5%. Students, let us consider the fraction 19 by 20. This can be written as 19 by 20 into 100 into 1 by 100. This can be written as here 5, 95 by 100 equals to 95%. Similarly, 1 whole 1 by 4 equal to 5 by 4 equals to 5 by 4 into 100%, because 1% means 1 by 100. Therefore, this can be written as it is 125%. So it is 125%. Students, here 1 can be written as 1 by 1 equal to 1 into 100 into 1 by 100, that is 100 by 100 equal to 100%. Similarly, 7 can be written as 7 into 100 by 100 equal to 700 by 100 equal to 700%. Students, let x be any number or a fraction. So this can be written as 100x by 100. Simply we are multiplying the numerator by 100 and the denominator by 100. So this can be written as 100x%. So any number x can be written as 100 times of x%. Let us consider the third problem, converting decimals into percentage. Let us consider 0.1. So this can be written as 1 by 10. This can be written as 1 by 10 into 100%. It is 10%. Students, let us consider 0.25. So it can be written as 25 by 100. This can be written as 25 by 100 into 100%. So it is 25%. Now let us consider 0.1234. So this can be written as 1234 by 10,000. This can be written as 1234 by 10,000 into 100 percent. So this can be written as 1234 by 100. So it is 12.34%. Let us consider 0.567. This can be written as 567 by 1000 equals to 567 by 1000 into 100%, that is 56.7%. Since 567 is divided by 10, therefore it is 56.7, and here is percentage, so it is 56.7%. Students, let us consider the next number 34.5. This can be written as 345 by 10, and we are multiplying the number by 100 and dividing the same number. This can be written as 345 by 10 into 100. 1 by 100 means percent, so it is 3450%. Students, now let us consider the number 0.005. So this can be written as 5 by 1000 equals to 5 by 1000 into 100%, that is 5 by 10 equal to 0.5%. Students, let us consider the next problem. Find the value of 25% of 360. Second question, 1 whole 1 by 2% of 600. Third, 66 whole 2 by 3% of 1500, 0.3% of 7, and 4% of 5. Here 25% of 360, so it can be written as 25 by 100 into 360, that is, here it is 4 and it is 90, so it is 90. Students, 25% of 360, so it is 25 by 100 into 360, that is 90. Now the problem is 1 whole 1 by 2% of 600. So this can be written as 3 by 2% of 600. This can be written as 3 by 2 by 100 into 600 equals to 3 by 200 into 600. Here 3 equal to 9. Students, now let us calculate 66 whole 2 by 3% of 1500. So this can be written as by 100 into 1500. This can be written as 200 by 300 into 1500. Here we can cancel it by 5, so it is 1000. Students, let us consider the fourth problem. 0.3% of 7. This can be written as 3 by 10 by 100 into 7, that is 3 by 1000 into 7, that is 21 by 1000 equal to 0.021. Students, now let us consider the problem 4% of 5. This can be written as 4 by 100 into 5 equal to 20 by 100 equal to 0.20, that is 0.2. Students, in this video we have learned how to convert a percentage into a decimal or a fraction or a ratio and vice versa. All these problems are very much useful for the beginners. Students, if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.